Hello, dear friends. Today I am sharing a conversation between teacher and students. Children, if you were a bird, what would you do? If I were a bird, I would see how water flowing from the mountains. If I were a bird, I would visit to Eiffel Tower. If I were a bird, I would fly to Burj Khalifa and stay there. I would fly to Sphinx and see the mythical creatures from the top. Well, children, you imagined that you can fly, but can we really fly? No. Yes, we don't have feathers, right? Like every individual is not same, but they have their own talent. We should be happy for what we have and thank God.